Welcome everyone from our YouTube channel. Today we will try to tell about how to work a supercomputer. A supercomputer is a type of computer that is designed to perform extremely complex calculations and simulations at a very high speed. Supercomputers are typically used in scientific research, engineering, and other applications that require vast amounts of computational power. In this article, we will discuss the basics of how to work with a supercomputer. 1. Accessing the supercomputer. The first step in working with a supercomputer is to gain access to it. Supercomputers are typically housed in large data centers or specialized facilities, and access is usually controlled by a system administrator. To gain access, you will need to submit a request to the administrator, specifying your research or computational needs. 2. Submitting jobs. Once you have access to the supercomputer, you will need to submit a job. A job is a set of instructions that tells the supercomputer what computations to perform. The job will typically be written in a programming language such as C, C++, Fortran, or Python. To submit a job, you will typically use a command line interface or a job scheduler. The job scheduler allows you to specify the resources needed for the job, such as the number of processors, amount of memory, and the estimated runtime. The scheduler will then assign the job to an available node or set of nodes on the supercomputer. 3. Monitoring the job. Once the job is submitted, you can monitor its progress using various tools provided by the supercomputer. These tools typically allow you to check the job status, the resources used, and any errors or warnings that may have occurred. 4. Retrieving results. After the job is completed, you will need to retrieve the results. The results can be stored on the supercomputer's disk or transferred to your local computer using a file transfer protocol (FTP) or a secure copy (SCP) tool. The supercomputer will usually provide instructions on how to retrieve the results. 5. Optimizing performance. To get the most out of the supercomputer, you will need to optimize your code for performance. This involves making sure that your code is written in a way that takes advantage of the supercomputer's architecture and resources. This may involve using parallel processing, optimizing memory usage, and minimizing I/O operations. In conclusion, working with a supercomputer involves gaining access to the system, submitting jobs, monitoring their progress, retrieving results, and optimizing performance. Supercomputers are complex systems that require specialized knowledge and skills to use effectively, but they offer unparalleled computational power for scientific and engineering research. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be fine.